Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply Income Tax Stenographer, updated. Begin by collecting identification, certification copies, and proof of residency, then organize your employment and income records including Form 1099 and pay stubs. Next, review the exam syllabus and application deadlines from the official board, complete the online form carefully, and pay any fees. Finally, schedule your exam, confirm accommodations if needed, and keep copies of all submissions for your records. Start by logging into the application portal and using a stable internet connection to prevent timeouts. Carefully type your name, contact details, and ID numbers exactly as on your documents, then upload clear scans of certifications and proof of address. When entering income, reference pay stubs or Form 1099 to ensure accuracy. Review every section slowly, use the preview function, then submit and record your confirmation number for follow-up. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more useful updates. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for long study sessions and staying focused during exam prep, and it fits easily in most bags. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you want. Thank you for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Focus your preparation on the practical skills and tax knowledge tested in the exam, balancing shorthand speed with accuracy and legal understanding. Create a study plan with focused blocks, use official practice materials, and complete timed mock exams to simulate real conditions. Connect with peers or a review group for feedback and targeted drills. On exam day, bring required ID, arrive early, and breathe deeply to stay calm and focused for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.